welcome to a new day and a new vlog. Full disclosure, I actually fit 2 days into this one vlog. I should have vlogged more of it and I didn't, but I just wanted to show you this anyway because on this day, Kyla and I tried out this new restaurant. It's called Island Vibes Grill. The food is really good. I got the lamb chops with seasoned rice, coleslaw, can't go without coleslaw, and plantain. I love plantain. After that, I spent the afternoon editing my video and watching Rick and Morty with Kyle. So I just did all this laundry, started folding up all of this. I have my video uploaded. It's already, what time is it? 11:33 p.m. I'm about to post it on Facebook and then do another promo again tomorrow. I'm trying to clear up this bed. I have another load in the laundry still. It was not the most productive Monday, but you know, we got some stuff done, so yeah. Hi everyone, welcome to a new day and a new vlog. I've actually been really bad at vlogging today. I feel like I went into the office this morning and I really just didn't have time to do anything. I tried to film a little bit, but there's just, again, meeting after meeting and trying to get things done before deadlines. So we're gonna perk up now. I'm at home. I still have another call at 6, but it is 4:42 right now. I'm gonna try to make some dinner, so I'm gonna take you all into the kitchen with me and we're gonna make dinner together and we're gonna get ourselves into a better mood. So let's go. So I just pulled these 2 fillets of salmon out of the freezer. I'm gonna put those to thaw, and I have a little bit of rice left, so I'm going to make some rice. What else do we want? So there's no more corn, so we're gonna go with some black beans, maybe, if I feel like it, because honestly I could just eat the salmon with rice. Just kidding. I have one more thing of corn, and honestly I'm gonna put the salmon back because, and I know this is kind of iffy for some people, but I like corned beef, so I'm gonna make some corned beef with some corn and some rice. Perfect meal, and it's quick. Got it? Why can I open this? Come on, let me not mess it up. I'm just trying to eat. I did not do the best job with this can. I promise I usually know what I'm doing. Okay. Okay, after a lot of struggling, and Kyle is still struggling with the second one that I opened, I finally got it in here. So we're cooking that. And this is me being super lazy, I put the corn in the same pot. The rice is boiling. Hopefully we'll finish really fast. Okay, this is what I made. Not the prettiest plate, but good. So, I just rushed to eat all that food. I am super stuffed right now. I'm just trying to relax for a second because honestly today was just go, go, go. And I'm tired and I have to do this again on Thursday. It's gonna be even worse on Thursday because I have so many meetings that I'm gonna have to do on Thursday back to back. But we're gonna survive. These next 2 weeks are going to be busy, but it's gonna be okay. That's what I'm trying to tell myself. So I'm trying really hard to not be super annoyed or, you know, I don't know. I'm just really tired. And I have to be on another call at 6 p.m. because we have these group sessions on Tuesdays and Thursdays, and this week and next week I'll be helping out with facilitating the youth session. So the activity that I'm going to be helping with, technically I only have to be there for half an hour, but because of the way the program is structured, I'll be on the call for the full first hour. So it's really not that bad. I'm just really tired right now because today in particular was just very busy. I said it already earlier, I felt like I just didn't really have a break, but it's fine because we're pushing through. And in any case, after my call today, we're gonna do some form of self-care. I'm not sure what it's going to be yet, but I'm gonna try to do something that will make me feel good. I have to edit my video, and I don't know how I'm gonna get it done, honestly, because the call is gonna go until a little bit later. I might need to take a nap and then wake up and then edit. We will see. I don't know. I need to find something to do to make myself feel better, because right now I'm just not in the best mood. I'm not like stressed or anything, but I'm just tired and I want to take a nap. And I think also I was just like really hungry because I only ate a bowl of cereal today, and that was basically all I had time for. So looking forward to a better evening, and I'm sure the group is gonna go well tonight. Okay, so I'm about to join my work group meeting thing. Wish me luck. Wow, so I feel so much better now that this thing is over. I mean, it went really well, but now that it's over, I feel all the weight of the world is off of me. I wasn't really stressed at all. There were just like 4 kids in the group. We were doing demos and like steps that you can take to avoid being peer pressured. So my not very great acting skills were put to the test. But it went well. The kids liked it. They enjoyed doing the role playing and figuring out, you know, what they would say under certain circumstances, I guess, certain situations. I'm just watching YouTube now. I'm at 414 subscribers right now. What? And my video from last night, my Easter video with my family, is at 204 views. I had to look down because I took my glasses off and I don't have my contacts in, but oh my goodness, welcome to everyone. More good videos to come. The reason why I'm so excited for all of these new subscribers, all of you new people, is because I told myself that I'd be really happy with just getting 20 subscribers by the end of the 20 days. But I'm already at 14 in the first couple days. I'm still gonna keep going, obviously, but I'm just very satisfied. So welcome to everyone. It's gonna be a good time. Make sure you go catch up on my older videos, because I'm really proud of them, especially in my Discover St. Croix series. I really hope you guys don't mind me just chilling here for most of this vlog, but I actually just found something that's self-care. Okay, no. I decided that my self-care was actually making this meal, because it's actually a meal that I really love, and I made that promise that I would stop eating fast food for the next 20 days. So that was my self-care for myself today with cooking this meal, because even though I made that promise, I haven't been eating fast food, but I've still been eating out a lot, so spending more money than I should be. So yeah, made this meal. It was great. Anyway, my fun thing that I'm going to do right now is something that I should have done for a while already. So basically, I'm working on this thing, maybe for my birthday, possibly for the weekend after my birthday, because my birthday is on a Tuesday and I'll have to go to work anyway, and I also have an event the weekend before my birthday, so really doesn't seem like we're celebrating anywhere around my birthday besides maybe dinner. But anyway, I'm planning to see if this thing actually works out, so I'm not going to say what it is. I'll keep it a secret, and then you guys will see in the vlog. So make sure you subscribe so that you actually get to see what this thing is that I'm planning, if it works out. And I'm really hoping that it works out. But anyway, I'm gonna go plan that right now. I'm actually really excited for you guys to see what it is when it happens. Put it out into the universe. It's gonna happen, okay? So on today's episode of How Does Cariel Survive, I would not survive without the market. I make orders on here for my groceries so I can do curbside pickup, which you might be like, what the heck, Cariel, you don't need to do that. Things have been very busy, and this saves so much time. I don't have to deal with Adriel complaining that he doesn't want to go grocery shopping, and I don't have to be annoyed that I have to go grocery shopping. So this saves so much time. It's only $6, and the groceries are a lot cheaper here than at most other grocery stores on island. So honestly, it's a win-win situation. I spend way less money on groceries, and they get the groceries for me, and they usually have pretty much everything that I want. So yeah, they're not paying me, but honestly, if someone is watching and you have connections to Plaza West, tell them where you heard about them. Tell them They need to sponsor me.